Chevy. I'm bouncing in my Chevy. I'm riding in my Chevy.
What up, good people? We moving and grooving. It's your boy Ride254. Last video, well, last section I showed y'all we got the DA and shit, man. Still waiting on a couple other things to come in, but while we in the process, I did pick up some more 40 grit. Some people was asking from the last video, what did I use or whatever, because all that rust and stuff was on the hood. 40 grit. The 80 wasn't quite getting it, man, so I had to take it down to 40. I'm gonna scuff it up off of there and get it to go. So that might be the reason why I got a couple of them dimples, but the rest is gone, and that's what matters. Of course, we're gonna have to revisit that when we hit back here. And then, of course, up here on the roof, like the main, this ain't even like the main chick, like right now, like I'm just really trying to, it was just the hood was there. We need some practice on doing some body work and some painting and shit. So since this car was already in here, then we went ahead and did it. And because that roof was like, so we're gonna get that together though, I promise you. What else? I think those go to the Ram. So yeah, what we finna get into today, finna get into some blocking and some sanding and some installations. Y'all keep me going, man, cause like I can't be slacking. Like one video a week, I could probably slack a little bit. But if y'all want 2 a week, I can't really slack like that. So I'm gonna do the best I can. So as y'all know, man, these are for the Tudo, you know, countdown to Whip Fest. So this is for the Tudo to complement the billet set up in there. Like I said, we do have to order another set eventually for just this part for this car, and then actually the hazard and the turn signal switch can actually go in the C10. But I'm gonna have to buy another set anyway, so it is what it is. So I'm gonna take this out here and get it installed on the Tudo. Should also start the Tudo up, man. It ain't been started in a while. And it is cold. I think like I said, the bi-weekly, or not bi-weekly, but the weekly videos, or even just twice a week, man, they give me a chance to slow down. Because now, 2022, man, we recording everything in real time. It's not, nothing is pre-recorded or nothing like that. So that's the deal. See if she don't crank. She been sitting. She cold. Right on up, baby. Love that, love that. So yeah, she cranked right on up. This right here shouldn't be no issue. It ain't nothing but like a pin right there. You look at that pin right there, that pops out, and then you slide the new one in, and then you're good to go. So let me pop that out, man. Put it in there, and then I'll cut you back on. Say bye-bye to the bad guy. All right, so I got it. But like I said, very simple, man. Pop the pin out, take the old one out, pop the new one in. Ta-da, like magic. Then you thread in your tilt. I'm gonna have to come back in here and spray the column. It's gonna be like a dark gray, black, and then that should pretty much take care of that. You know what I mean? Moving on. What we got next on the agenda for today? All right, so out here with the G body, letting it run a little bit. That heather tint, I don't know what it was. So we're gonna put some seafoam in there. Clean injectors, stabilized fuels, all that good stuff. So, whole house on for the homie.